Hey, I'm Katelyn, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to decorate a tree for winter. So when I was a little girl, I always didn't understand the concept of having to take your Christmas tree down. Like, why couldn't we keep it up all year round and decorate it for every season or every holiday? So I'm going to be decorating this for winter. Then I'll be doing a Valentine's Day tree and St. Patrick's Day and so on. So we're going to start with winter, and here goes. So first things first, you're going to take off your Christmas decorations if you have them on there. I took mine off already, but I'm going to fluff out the tree branches to make it look a little bit fuller and get rid of all the little gaps and holes that might be in there. Here that I'll be using that I thought looked pretty wintry, I have some branches and some cotton. And then I have over here, I have a box full of like wintry items, ornaments, etc. that I will be using to decorate this winter time tree. So I picked up these burlap ribbons from Dollar Tree for $1 each. And I'm going to be putting the ribbon on the tree first. That's actually a trick that I saw on YouTube. I always put the ribbon on last, and I noticed that on YouTube a lot of the YouTubers put them on first, and it looks so much better, and I'm going to try it out this time. Okay, so I have, I'm going to kind of put the ribbon kind of in half. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm just going to loop it over this section here, and it kind of, then you have two sets of ribbons, as it kind of looks like. And then I'm going to just play around with the ribbon and put it in kind of like a looping thing. I don't know how to word it, but just kind of put the ribbon throughout the tree how you like it. And just remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, and it might look weird at first, but when everything else is done, it'll look really nice. So keep an open mind. Second piece of burlap, I actually just folded it in half, and I'm going to snip this one. I'm going to cut it so I have a little bit more to play around with, and I'm going to put them more in the center of the tree, I think. Okay, it's not cutting. So the other scissors that I had did not work, so I grabbed my fabric scissors. Make sure you have them handy because they definitely cut fabric way better, and it's definitely worth having one. See how easy that was? And then I'm going to do the same concept. Just kind of loop it in there and play around with it like so. I think I'm going to do the branches next. We'll see how that comes out, but I feel like branches next. So I got these branches actually, I cater weddings sometimes, and I catered a wedding and they were going to throw out, these were part of like the display, and they had twined like lights all around them. I took the lights off, but you can keep them on if you want, or put them on if you'd like, and that would look really nice. So I kept them because I was like, oh, I can use them for a project. Haven't gotten around to using them. I think that they would look really nice on this winter tree because they're kind of bare branches, and that's kind of wintry in my opinion. So I'm going to put those on next. So now I have these cotton pieces. I really don't know if cotton is like a winter plant or anything like that, but I just feel like it looks wintry. So I'm going to throw these in there as well and have them kind of just stick out. And if you want, you can spread the branches a little bit. So this cotton I got from TJ Maxx. I believe they sell them at TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls. You could probably get some at Michael's. It might be seasonal, like I'm not sure when they sell them, but I'm sure Amazon has them. I will definitely link some down below. And they were super inexpensive. This one I'm gonna leave this way. I'm not going to spread the branches. I'm gonna kind of try to put it just in a random place in the tree to look like that, I think. And in the process, if your ribbon does get messed up, which seems to be happening, you can always just, you know, play around with it again and fix it up a little. So now I'm just gonna start putting some of the decorations on there in random little areas, I guess. I have silver because I felt like that was kind of wintry, and I like the contrast between the silver and the green. Then I have this snowflake that's really pretty. I will link similar items down below. I got a lot of these from a store called D2. I don't know if you have that in your area, but I will link them down below, and if a similar version of it. I also like the idea of mixing a gold and silver because I like both, so I'm gonna do that. Teal colored snowflake ball. I actually think I got this from Walmart, and teal kind of matches the room. That's why I'm going to do this color, but you can do whatever color you think would look nice. And I have some snowy pine cones that I'm just going to place in whenever I feel like it. There is an ice skate. I thought that was super wintry. My mom got me this for Christmas. My friend is helping me, and she suggested that I use these little beads that I usually use in my room. They look like little jewelry.
They're my earrings.
And she suggested I use them in the tree, and they look so pretty against the lighting. I absolutely love them.
Yeah,
so
it like glows. Do you guys see that?
Yes. So you can see here how pretty that looks.
We have to figure out a way how to keep it there.
That looks so nice.
Yeah.
I love the way that looks with the lights.
Yes.
So I have this snowflake ornament that actually, it's kind of broken, but whatever, you can't tell. And I like these lights. They're battery operated. I kind of like the way they look behind. So I'm gonna rig that up there and see how it comes out. So you can see the top part is actually coming out pretty good. I like it so far. I just have to add some to the bottom and complete it. So I also have these hot cocoa candy canes that I got from Dollar Tree for $1. I thought they would go with the theme as well. I know it's kind of Christmassy, but I feel like it's still winter as well. So I'm just gonna add these and that's it. So here is the finished product of my winter tree. You can see the branches, the cotton, the burlap and lace. Little snowflakes, ice skates. And then down here I put this little house with some reindeer and battery operated tea lights and a little sign that says "Let's cuddle." So here I am enjoying some hot cocoa with cream with my friend Shari.
Cheers!
Cheers! We had so much fun making this winter tree. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining in, and I hope it inspires you to be creative and think outside of the box and just make a winter tree or just,
with your friends.
yes, just like celebrate
fun.
life, right? Like that's the point of it. I feel like
Yeah.
it's like, yeah, it's silly maybe to some people.
So you just hang out with your girls. And,
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we had so much fun doing this.
I did. Cheers!
Thank you so much for helping. Seriously.
Of course.
So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that.